gotta get it how we live it.
Back, everybody know it's face, but still a pushing space back, and I stay strapped. What the fuck it is, man? Go ahead, you big man. If you got a problem, we're gon' copy shit, man. Everybody from my hood up to no good, and we smoking on fire. That's the cause I stick to my cause, cause I love them niggas and I know they love me. So if you're from the city, throw up them tools and show me love. Show me love, yeah. Show me love.
Listen. He said show him some love. I'm throwing up dubs. You catch me in the club, yeah, with the snub. Hold up, you niggas fall back. Yeah, you ain't with all that. We got to do. Man, fuck, hold on, I messed up. Hold on, listen, bring him in. Listen, yo, listen, hold up, listen, hold up. He said, hold up, roll that, hold this, stash that, and I keep the 4-5 every day, dressing all black. Yeah, the beat skipping. I can't rap this little beat, cuz. Hold on, keep that recording, yo. I'm about to kill this nigga.
Come on, Gloriana. Come on, eat.
Man.
I can't rap. Yo, listen. We got the fam in the building. Listen. Now if you going off the goose and you're feeling kinda loose and you gotta bend over and tie your shoes. Hold up, I'm just fucking round. My hood is uptown. We got the 4-5 extended clips, mini rounds. You niggas better fall down. Bow to the king in the boxing ring. I do my thing, hold up. It's just dreams I'm living in the dream. That's why I pinch myself and say, and do I really mean? I got a certificate to get the cream, to get the green. I don't even give a fuck. 4-5 got the beam. We gotta keep them in the pocket. Swag too tight, little niggas can't jock it. You gotta stop it. You niggas rolling off the shit. I can't stop it. I'm got guns, matter of fact, yeah, I gotta pop it. I look down on the earth cause you can't stop it. Little niggas 4-5s in the fucking pocket. We got the face shit.
ARs and Mac 10s with shit. I'm a fan of black clothes. My niggas be right here. My niggas we don't show. Cause we bout up on the drama. Yo, we get that llama. Yo, this gon' be drama. Keep on talking. We bout that drama. Best we got that llama.
Listen. He said if niggas get to talking, he a dead man walking. The fucking 4-5s, yeah, the kids stay smoking. You gotta stop talking that beat, cause I don't really care. Fucked up in the head, that's why I'm out in the streets. I gotta live my life to the fullest. I walk around every day with my head, I'm talking foolish. You gotta hold your head high, look to the sky. I blink real fast cause I always stay high. I'm blowing on the dually, it got me feeling coolin'. And I don't give a fuck, the whole block wanna do me. I'm talking about the bitches, yeah, I make it strippin'. And I don't give a fuck, ill bitch, take it swippin'. We been them overlaps, they can't stay strapped. And I don't give a fuck, nigga blowing in the back. Got the dually, the toolie, the snubby. And I don't give a fuck, no bitches wanna love me. I ain't got no hubby, I mean that's that homo. Shoot from the baseline, yeah, I'm in my promo. Yeah, I'm in the strap, yeah, I'm in the trap. Little nigga talk shit, push his body back, make him do a backflip.
Me and my niggas sitting down, make a stack. Rings knocking on the door, do you want that? I ran to the door fast, do you want that? Yeah, my nigga get locked up. These white bitches got them all locked up. Yeah, but I just came home, about to make $1 million, dog. I don't give a fuck, dog. Niggas on drilling, dog. Cause I got a 4-5 and niggas they creeping. These niggas stay talking, this nigga ain't beating. I like to throw them things up, and if you go to war, then you gon' have to throw them things up. And I shoot them. And if you wanna go to war, then I shoot them. Have his body on the ground when he hear the rounds. His brains stay on the floor, and damn, that ain't a crown. That ain't a crown. This nigga dead. This nigga on the floor. This nigga dead. In the bed, tuxedo up, and he all in black. Now this nigga fucked up, and they had to put makeup all on him. This nigga fucked up. After that I went to the funeral, so they have to see that I just said this nigga. And I don't give a fuck cause I pulled that trigger. I slowed down cause that's my nigga. And I'm about They shot my nigga Gizmo, shot my nigga Jamar. But if I was dead though, this nigga would've been dead though. This nigga's a fucking bitch, this nigga's a fucking hoe. Yup, cause my nigga Jamal, he a rider. Plus we always fucking $4. Then he all cool, and he all soft. My nigga sweet, my nigga soft, my nigga small, but he small in the head. My nigga try to reach $1 million, do it big, try and get a crib, try to live it big, but his brothers all try to take the motherfucking shit.
We need a